Let's go. Happy Friday, everybody. I need your help, and I've got some really cool announcements as well. We've got a new edition coming out. Going to be trying to release this weekend, October the 1st. Today is the final day of September, and you're going to want to make sure that you guys, if you have not joined us already, the old offer on the old website is going away. Go check that out. Final offer on VinnyEmini.com. We are now moved over to AlgoboxPro.com. That may be a little bit confusing for you. If you have questions, come ask us, but I need your help today. All the Alpha Omega trades. Here's why. Let's come back into our training window here and let me show you guys what I'm talking about, what I'd like your help with. So on the Alpha Omega, so people have been asking, and I had told you guys I wanted to do an in-depth Alpha Omega strategy video for you guys. Again, you know how to use them like big crosses at this point. However, we've got a new edition, and in this release on October the 1st, when we try to get this out this weekend, there were going to be some changes to it. So before I did an official video, I didn't want to go and release that video, and then now I've got some updates and changes. So I've tried to put this off, but I've put it off as long as I can. The new version is coming out, but what I would like your help with over the weekend, those of you guys who are doing market replay practice, or if you've got some time to practice even into next week before I get the new video out, right over here in our room, I've dropped a new little section called the Alpha Omega drop here. Okay, what I would like you to do is drop your screenshots of Alpha Omega plays, even if you don't know if it's a Alpha Omega or not. If you see a big move outside of or coming off of an Alpha Omega location, whether it's a double cross, whether it is a headshot play with the Alpha Omega crosses, etc. So come right down into this room. I've already dropped through in here from earlier today. Again, big moves. You can see one, like this. It can be one where the Alpha Omega is literally calling the bottom, and we see some huge moves up and out of it until we see the other side of it. Or it could be one like, I think all these were reversal plays. Yeah, so these are screenshots of reversals. Big move down to the upside, downside. Those are great. However, it does not have to be those. You can have those double cross, double move plays as well. This one calling different sections like this. And I'm going to show you guys how those numbers are going to be used. In the new version, you're going to have color distinctions between high side and low sides and everything in between. And it's going to be helpful to you. So when I go through those videos, I would like to have lots of examples. So I'm going to try to reach out for you guys because honestly, I just don't have all the time in the world to go through and collect as many as I would like to have, because this is very powerful. But if you've got ones that are, we could use these as double cross, double moves. These could be Alpha Omegas, again, either color. They could be one or the other, like this, where you've got a green red. They could be a green green. It could be a red red. However, the main thing is that, did you get an AO Alpha Omega cross? That's what we're referring to. So if you see anything in our acronyms AO, that's the Alpha Omega crosses right there. So one of those, or if you've got a headshot, right? Headshots can be in there. You've got PRZ cross. So if inside of a PRZ cross, you've got an Alpha Omega cross inside of one of those, it took a move as well. All those, anything that you see, take those screenshots, post those over here for me. I'm going to use those in the video next week when I do that in-depth, and look forward to the new release here over the weekend. And I'll be doing, again, it is a ton. It's going to be a huge release. We've been doing a lot of work with this. You guys have seen me kind of away. Unlike ICT, I don't tell everybody all of my personal business, all things that are going on in our lives. Can't tell you guys when I'm going on vacations and I'm going to be away and all this kind of things. Like, I don't know why people go out there and announce that stuff. I think it's kind of very dangerous for you personally. But anyhow, I have been away a bit, so I still kind of stay active in the room, say things back and forth to folks, but I have not been as active, you guys know. But I am going to be back next week and looking forward to dropping this release. We've been working on it a lot. You're going to be blown away by the list of things that are in this release, including all the times where you guys have had to adjust or moving sound files around and all that kind of stuff. That is now going to be taken care of. We've got automated voices for the indicators inside of our pack now. So lots of cool stuff like that, including some new features and all that. And again, want to make this video short. Happy Friday. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Please, over the weekend, drop me some of those videos and drop me a comment down below. Share some of these with your friends and have a great one. Blessings on you and the family. From me to yours, let's send out the big H-Town. See ya.